Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix 404 error on your Shopify website. So if a user of your website gets this error, it has a very bad impact on your company or business. So in order to avoid this error, you need to create a redirect that will allow the user to automatically redirect to another page of your website. So in order to create a redirect, you need to come to your Shopify dashboard and then click on online store. And here you need to go to navigation and then you will see view URL directs button. You need to click on it and then click on create URL redirect. And here you need to choose the link from which you want visitors to forward to another page. So for example, if you want to move your users from shoes page to clothes page, so this is how you can do that, and then click on save redirect. So this is how you can avoid 404 error on your Shopify website. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.